here, for example, when you begin the class, you will be giving an introduction using Zoom. After that, you can give a pre-assessment questions. This type of class work you can give from here. That will be better instead of sharing here, because here you can use to communicate important messages. All the learning activities you can keep it here. For that, go to classwork, then create. There are a lot of options: assignment, quiz assignment, questions. Okay. For example, if you're asking a question, you can type question here. You can ask question related to your topic. For timing, I just type what's your name. Then you can ask here. If you're asking now, then the message will be appear for the students. But if you're preparing now and later, when the class begins, if you want to ask, then now you can create the questions. After that, you can click this blue button and you can click this save draft. You also having options, schedule, then tomorrow 10:10. Then this message will be appear on the screen to the students. That is also a good option. Otherwise, you can click save draft. Now, when you go back to the classwork, you can see what is your name, but it will not be visible for students because it is in draft. If you want to ask, today you prepare this, tomorrow you need to ask this, then you can come to the classwork, you can go to this question and click edit button and directly ask. Okay, then the message will be visible for the students. Now the students can comment here. So all the students will be writing their names here. You can see one by one all the students, how many students participate. For example, if you are asking a question, what's your opinion about Shakespeare, one idea of childhood, or anything related to that, then you can have an open question. This type of question you can create here. Then the students, how many students wrote answer, that everything will be appear here. So that is one of the main merit of this question. Okay, and all the students will be names will be coming and their answers also will be visible. If you need to give points, that is also you can give. Normally it will be 100. You can also change that. Now let's go back to this class work again. Now secondly, you can see the create assignment. We'll come to assignment. After that, the most important that quiz assignment. When we begin the pre-assessment and all, we can use the Google form. For that, you can click create quiz assignment. Then you can type pre-assessment. Okay. Then you can type any message and you can click here. This is a Google form button. You can click here. From here, you can type the topic, pre-assessment topic. Okay, this is a heading. You can type the question in. First of all, when you prepare this MCQ, first of all, ask the student's name. Then it is easy for you to get student's name and their grades and the results. Okay, and their answers. So first of all, enter your name. Then you have option here. Earlier it was multiple choice. When we collect the name and all, you need to change it to a short answer. Then students will be writing answer here. Then there is one option required. If you are clicking here, then a star will be appear when you create form, because the name is mandatory. If students are not writing answer, no problem, but they should write their name. Then only they will be able to submit their response. Now let's create a question. You can click add question plus button here. Then you can ask question. Who is known as the father of economics? Okay, you can add options. Now it's multiple choice question. You can also give short answer, paragraph, checkbox. We will see short answer, paragraph later. Now multiple choice. Okay, now option 1, Herodotus. No typing full. Second one, Adam Smith. You can click add option here. then third Wordsworth, any name. I just like interruptions. Okay, now after this, here computer is asking Adam Smith. Okay, so very easily we will get that. Okay, so I need to remove this. Okay, now if you want to select the correct answer, you can click answer key. By using this, you are preparing answer key. So based on that, computer automatically will show their grade if the answer is wrong. If the answer is correct, that score also will be added. So answer key, then click which is the correct answer. Now it is already automatically ticked. If you want to change this one, you can click here and remove this. If you're clicking one more time, then it will be removed. If you want to remove this, remove, and you can select this. Which is the correct answer, you can select. Now the correct answer is Adam Smith, the third one. So I clicked here, then click done. Now we created, enter your name, and second one is pre-assessment question number 1, who's the father of economics. Now, same like this, if you want to create 10 questions or 25 questions, no issues, you can create easy method is you can click duplicate. Then you will be getting the duplicate of the same question. You can change the question, the options are, everything will be there, but you can change the options. You don't want to click press and add questions and add options and all. This is easy for you. The second, choose the odd one from the following. Okay. Okay. Then based on your answers, you can select answer key. Then you can select your answers. And here you can see the previous, I didn't show this one. What is the score? If the students are writing correct answer, the score is 1 mark. Let's go to the second one. First one, we didn't give score for this. So go to answer key and click here points. Then 1 mark will be appear. If you want to add a short answer, then again click plus. Then you can ask a question here and then change it to short answer. Okay, the question is, now the order is not proper, so I am just dragging this and moving down. So the second, now the third question here. Any open-end question if you need. Normally we give MCQ. So here you can select a short answer. Then here the answer key part is different because here there will not be options. So if the students wrote correct answer, you can give score here. Now I'm just changing for MCQ part because we were talking about the pre-assessment. Correct answer you can write here. If the students wrote the correct answer, later you can modify it. Okay, so I'm just changing to MCQ. Then option number, can add options. A, B, C. The correct answer is A. You can select accordingly. Okay, now we have created new 3 questions, 2 questions plus, so total 3 questions and their name. And after that, you need to click send. We are not sending now, but first you need to click send. There you can see the third one, hyperlink button, link. You will be getting the URL, Universal Resource Locator. Okay, you can click shorten URL. Then this website link will be become small, and you can copy. You can copy like this, or you can click copy here. Okay, then you can close. So we are talking to the students. Now we are going for a pre-assessment. So I'm just pasting the Google Form link here. So it will be visible for them. Okay, you can come to the Google Classroom screen. Here we were typing and we typed the blank quiz and we created this, we closed. Okay, now you can see here assign. If you're assign now, this form will go now itself. If you want to give, save draft. If you want to give later, save draft. Now it is not given, this we have given. Now First of all, the teacher will be creating all the assignment tasks here. If you want to give, then go to classwork. When the class is progressing, click edit button and assign. Now it will be visible for everyone. Then you can tell the students, go to classwork and select pre-assessment. Now the students will be clicking pre-assessment and they will get a Google form, but they will not be able to edit. This is the form they are getting. So first of all, they need to enter their name. Abdul Shafeek. Second answer also select. The third one. Okay, after that, you can click submit. So the first student submitted. Now, if the students want to see the score, they can click the view score. So as a student, they will be visible their score and which answer was wrong. That also see. Okay, well, for one options we didn't give point. For example, question number 3 we didn't give point. That's why the third point did not appear here. Only 2 out of 2 appear here. Okay, let's go. So that is over. Now, if the students need to submit one more response, so they can click there, submit one more response. The another student, they can type the first answer. Submit like this. Okay, we can see the score. Now the third one. So like that, students can submit. If you want to block only one submission, that option is also there. The students can submit only one time. They can't again and again. That option is also you can fix in the settings. Now we didn't do that. If you want to see the results as a teacher, you can click this will be visible for you because you have a locked. That's why it is visible for you. You can open by clicking this. One pen button is there. You can see the response. Okay, here the students will not be visible to see this. You can see the graph and the question, which was the correct answer, how many gave the wrong answer, everything will become. The most important part is coming to this button. This is very important. This is Google spreadsheet. If you want to type in name, you can type pre-assessment answers. Okay, here you can see timestamp, what time they have prepared this, and the score is visible here. 2 out of 2 is 1 out of 2. Then enter your, you can see the names, all the students' name and the answer which they wrote. Here there is a answer is 2 variations are there, so you can talk about that according. You can look at this who gave more correct answer, which was the wrong answer, why, how many wrong answer appeared here. So you can go through these answers. Same like here, also you can go through this answer, and after the pre-assessment you can talk which answer was confused, so that you can explain from here by looking this. It's a score sheet for you. Everything is prepared. If you want to download that, you can go to file menu and download as Excel or open document format ODS. There are all options are there. Okay, if you want to share the result to anyone, you can click share. Now I'm just closing this. So that is the response part. Google spreadsheet is very important. Let's come back to the questions.